Hello to for outside this afternoon. The last pidgin news for Inside the Moon for March for Inside the Week. For we strong number them this afternoon, we go take una go for Pekka 14. Woman the way they deserve for day. Them say they be make waka for vex. For Sika say they can lock their peanut place them. Where they not tell them, waiting where them do. We go take una to for this afternoon. We enter for Boya. As we Tori enter for we ear. Now some boy where he own work. Now for enter for inside place, he want buy one clothes, he go last common now with 10 clothes. As we people them inside Boya, they talk for we. Tori said we go take una enter for this other one where it happen for place where they call them say Bafusam for West region where they don't catch 7 boys them with their own work. Now for go thief go hide people them ask money, some they kill them and even thief cow them. According to Wetiwe Lieutenant Commander for inside Gendarme office for Bafusam, he talk now for inside Bafusam some town them where they make investigate, they catch all these people them. And with the here say the new woman where go the lookout problem them for land inside Bamenda. They don't put it on top chair. Malinian, he don't talk for population for Bamenda. Say for get land book, they must to enter for office. They follow the line, they follow according to the way they get for talk for them. May they not put number 2 or 3 person inside. Mountain race. Now today launching go start. We go take una enter for Monaco Mini Sports Stadium. For sure now, some of the first image them as Minister for Sports and Physical Education Professor Narcisse Mwelekombi he get for launch the race. Newspaper day and case for people where they don't lost to, we get them this afternoon. Big people them talk. It tell we say na only time where your house it born. Now that time you go sabi say dirty water it get used. Only time where your house it dey for fire. Now that time you go sabi say dirty water e get use. Big people them talk. E come out now for Abiracho Emmanuel where e dishidon for Alakuma inside Bamenda for Northwest region. We return back small time. We dey salute una for outside the country people them as well as Sabina the last pidgin news this for Inside the Moon for February as well the enter for new moon. Tori for inside this afternoon, we go start now for Pekka 14, na Pekka 14 for Douala here. Now some quarter name the Binet people them for inside the market, they be there for road. E be there now for Thursday, as we Tori enter for we here. This mommy they way they come out for road plenty for Pekka 14, as we Tori enter we here. Then the talk say plenty of them, they can meet up their Binet place them, where they don't lock them. They no sabi the reason why they lock their Binet place. Now where they come out for road, they start for make waka for vex for say any man where he can put number 2 lock for the Binet place make he left there he can open them say they no understand why they go just can lock their place where they no talk for them no nothing so they mami them they be come out for road for talk say no for that kind of thing for the people them where they can do the work where the mami them says they no be there inside the same chapter. Just now we go enter now for Boya for Southwest region. For Boya side, now some thief boy with the catchy for inside place where they call them say Malingo. Yes, now for Malingo side, as we Tori enter for we here with the catch this thief boy for day with the here say the boy he own work. Now for the go enter for place say he want buy clothes. And as we know, as we the one pretend say he want buy clothes, he go enter, he buy one clothes, then inside the one clothes, he go thief at least 10 other clothes them. As we Tori enter for we ENI with population for Malingo, for that side, so for Boya, as we Tori enter for we ear, the catchy, nakam sote ideso, it start for confess. All the thing them where he don't do am for inside that place where they call them say Malingo country people them. So now the mandate where he dey so as we Tori enter for we EM for place where they call them say Malingo. Now for day where this boy he don't detect in them or as we Tori enter we here. So now yesterday where they catch them population in Naki. We know before for sure now the complete image for Sika say the boy be get plenty cut for his skin and the blood he be the throw for day. So that other side where they respect law for Tori people them inside Bafusam for West region country people them now at least 7 people them as well now they see them we Lieutenant Commander for Gendarme for Bafusam side as we Tori enter for we ear he put hand for their skin These 70 people them, they talk say that they ever go now for a womb for Northwest. They go do their operation, then they can shit down for town they like Banjul and even for Fumban now under investigate and plenty talk them. We enter for gendarme big man here where they call it Adolf Belek in a boy them. They make the investigate so they catch these 7 people them. And according to where the gendarme report talk for we, as well the big man be the tell we, he said these 7 people them, if the thief go hide you, they go call your family for pay money. Apart from that one, they the key people them hoha, they know they beg you, and they the thief even cow. So now all the plenty complain them where we don't enter for gendarme office for inside Bafoussam, now in Mekam. Gendarme tend to they enter for work, they catch them 7 for different places them inside Bafoussam. And the main place where they usually go for operate, for go do their work, they say now for whom? For Northwest, then they can shit down inside Bafoussam. Now, it's wonderful for side from Konsamba country people them. This a morning time, early morning, with the here say fire, it don't burn at least 2 different houses for that side. So for inside Konsamba, for Mongo division, with the here say the fire start for cash for early morning time and population for inside Konsamba, they na themselves the tonton for see as well they lost the fire and since na Calabo house them as well if you burn 1 Calabo house now so too the fire it jump enter for the next Calabo house. So according to Toriwe enter we here now at least 2 different house them where they build up with Calabot where it burn and now the population as well when they see them where they suffer for see as well they go stop the fire for making no worker and the population provoke over for see say army rescue for inside Konsamba it no be fit for camp for can help them at all for see as well they go lost this fire where it surprise them for that side. So for this early morning time no person no die as well to enter for we here but cargo them inside all that Calabot house them born as well to enter we here and with the here the cause for the fire just now we never so fit for confirm way to provoke this fire where it burn more than 2 houses for that side. So for Konsamba this early morning time as so one at the Siam for image day. And Sabi Seb say as so they be the lost fire will be take time for take the style them where these people they take lost fire for Sika say army rescue no come now the people them inside the quarterway fire the cash where they be the tonton you go see that long line where they happen now sun where they carry they don't turn up for long line other people they drive for up road now then say they carry sand change hand carry sand then they use them throw them on top that fire say make it no continue for cash all this one them so now just suffer and we Sabi say Konsamba Sesep it gets army rescue place but waiting it really pass where the army rescue people they no fit come when the population they use the kind of country fashion way for lost fire and as well they tonton for lost the fire now so to the fire this also continue for cause more trouble for inside the quarter. So now just so the tonton so they lost the fire where army rescue it no be fit for come and the population they vex plenty say they no understand say the day for side where army rescue day then fire the burn also. This other one side where they be the lost fire as well as the see they drag some man so as well say where fire be the cash if you want run go enter for the fire it talks say all his certificate them for inside this well it dey for inside that house where the burn so if you run so now for go come out the a certificate them for fire now where population talks say the fire it over plenty it no fit for go enter for this so now so they be the pushy it can turn be a different thing like pala the man talks say no be fit for turn up he see as we all his certificate the way don't go school it burn off for inside fire. So now why that wanna see this pala way they happen for the population they always struggle now for hold some boy wey go enter for the fire for come out his certificate wey don't go school he learn am now it means everything so far as so they be holy and with the fire burn out inside the house it means say his own life it don't surely finish except say he go apply now the man that all his certificate for this ground it dey for that fire where it dey burn so where it no be dey at all so the population is struggle for calming down as we tori enter for we ear for this fire where it happen for site so for Konsamba this early morning time for Mongo division. We go take una one time we enter for place where they call am say Bamenda now for inside courthouse for Bamenda, where they so the new woman where she done for office, so now he go the look all problem them where he consign land for Bamenda. He be the swear say if she done for that office, he no go take any choco at all. Say any person who come for Kangi choco, he no go take him, and he go work according to the law where they don't put you on top chair. Sabi say problem for inside Cameroon, no be na only for Bamenda, other place them na land for Sika land, brother the key brother, sister the key sister, for inside we country the same land where we go die level. But this woman where they call he Nchumulu Lilian, as we be put in hand for so say he go work better. He say he says she done for that office for plenty time like normal worker, like floor person. He sabi the kind of suffer where people they suffer. So he the beg just now say population for Bamenda, if they want buy land, make them go according to the law. It means say if they want buy land, make they come for an office. They ask waiting. Gando it be there, item 11 to be there on top this chapter. Ma Nchumulu Lilian, it talk concerning this a new office where you don't take up.
The challenges and because I'm not the person from outside, I'm a person from inside, and I don't hear they cry for they can't cry for office about how they don't apply for land certificate. They don't take them a very long time, of which the text is given us 6 months for you if you get your land certificate. You see, so I don't hear the plenty thing that we don't go on, but if state don't say and say a big fit and a big competent for that tax, then I will do my very best to see get a strict implementation of the text, so that means all things go well. And also with the small obstacle I see with for road, but God being my helper, and we will work as a team. You know, so if you do anything you want, so all of us as a team we will work together to make Mincaf great, and all the cry they can't cry and all the greed they make for office. We'll try to wipe away their tears.
And the mommy, Lilian, when the new big woman for land trouble for inside Bamenda too, he give advice for population for Bamenda.
Any man where he get any difficulty or challenge, anything you need, any information, come to our office. Can't ask me. We will tell you that they proceed you. Because plenty people they fail now because they need to follow the procedure. They go outside, meet somebody call a middleman them. When they just tell them anything, they ask money, and then they tell you, say, oh, we don't have ask money for that service. Me, they come for we for them. Enter for office, ask and say, wait to be the procedure, wait till it take. You understand? And we will give them all the necessary information. I will advise them. Make them say the worker do follow the procedure by themselves. Because when you get a third party, it becomes expensive. Because if he tell you anything, you just believe since you won your land certificate.
And country people them as so now don't already start for Siam. People the way they she done for village where they call them saying kappa. Them say they the beg. Say make company where the local lights make him member them. They the suffer with the years for the past 3 weeks just now. Population from kappa. Also go start showing for that photo. Them too they cry say light. They never see them. Current it never come for that side. So for village where they call them saying kappa. Where it dinner for inside the Douala here country people. For Sika rope them for a light current, it just throw it away for inside a place where they call them say kappa. We be already start for show that photo. Maybe if we continue on top that photo for people them for inside in kappa with them say they beg now say me the company where the local light it try come for that side, so for inside kappa for come fix the light them where it been a big problem for them. 3 weeks, they never get lights, and the current, they rope themselves up. So on the CM, the rope, it don't fall, and when a big danger too for the population where the she done from Kappa inside littoral here. So now see say they rope the job this some kind. When a danger for the population that they use now stick them for even support rope way the pathway if current pass. Picking, he make mistake or even big man. The current, if he move for game for that side, so for inside Kappa. So the beg make company where the local lights. He can do something before something. He do the people them where they she done for that side, so from Kappa. Now for Betua side dey, we dey hear say just now park wey dey so be for that side, so for Bamvele e no go be there again. They say 6 months in 6 month time this place wey over urban disorder e dey there, e no go dey again for inside Konsamba for Betua as we tori enter for we ear. We dey hear just now country people dem say e dey so they don already find some new place, and na for quarter wey they call am say Kano quarter, na for the way city mayor for inside Betua e don build the new motor park. So na the new motor park that we wanna say wanna dey see am for inside the chapter. Na for day wey oga city mayor don talk say all motor dem wey dey travel go for a northern zone for we country, all dem na for day wey dem go shidon country people dem for see as wey dey so they go carry people dem go with am for different zone dem. So city mayor don talk na for reduce the disorder wey dey for inside town, so they go comot park camp for here in 6 months time, and the place e get plenty space as we wanna say wanna dey see am. So na the new park that for Betua small time as we Bamvele side e don turn a place wey disorder e don over plenty. We go take una enter for Boya just now as una sabi inside this problem where woman dem dey get am, and even man picking them for northwest and southwest. Woman dem just now they dey for school. Now which kind of road where woman dey get am for play inside where fire e dey burn for inside house? Now the kind of thing them that way they dey teach this woman dem, and na DO for Boya Abba Abdurrahman e be go open this school for woman dem for Boya, where according to the DO woman them they get plenty thing them for do am. Sabi say Center for Human Rights and Democracy for Africa, now them say they did for before under the sense for barrister Agbobala Felix, we say we don't check say if woman then talk on top this fire way the catch for northwest and southwest, something it go surely happen. Do Abba Abdurrahman he talk for we as we open that school for woman then.
Support that we need for if they take the mantle, say may they be the forefront for peace, then we'll find solution. Now why that conference is a good initiative, and now I decide for come support them. I also want for use that opportunity for Tangwa women for Boya subdivision, because I don't see them for front. I don't see them whenever there is problem, they do peacefully come for our office so that we will solve them. So we are grateful for their peaceful approach, and we encourage them. May they continue and help us bring about.
Bishop say one of the women them too they learn how we fit talk for this problem time for northwest and southwest. It to try for talk for the other woman them for outside the make.
Mommy them, my sister them, all they free. So woman they don't do plenty for this as far as this crisis is concerned. Many woman they not think say they need for join people for do am, but the first start small even from inside house. By the time you talking for picking, na so picking go talking for neighbor, na so neighbor go talking. Before you want know the news on go all side. All man now go be aware. All man go be conscious, and all man go decide say make peace come. All man go understand the importance of peace and the need for peace. And then again, we don't overpay attention for the boys them. But more not forget, say the boy they need to fight not only by themselves. We get soldier then to where they fight. So more we talk to for the soldier, them talk to for people them for government, people where they get power. So that means then self they she don't they check their sense. See say chuchu, they be take them for their koro eyes, and that they say wake up go pick the gun them. For that their koro eyes and so they don't decide to go drop the gun them. I want to tell mommy.
Yes, now one of the women them that way they for school for how with them too. They fit put more for see where that problem for southwest and northwest. It go finish. Corona just now, according to where they give you latest update from John Hopkins University, inside the whole world, 113,025,730 cases for corona we don't be since we corona come, 63,747,311 people them where they already well, and 2,507,624 people them where they don't die since we corona it come inside the whole world. As we John Hopkins University is sending for with this as Friday, number 26 day for February. Now, for Cameroon, Minister for Sick People too don't give we update concerning this sick. According to the latest number them, where Dr. Manauda Malachi send them for outside, he says since Corona come for we country, now 35,714 people them where they don't catch the sick, and one day where they don't well, 32,594 people them. Number for people that they don't die, now 551 people them, and the active case, the one day where they get Corona just now, as so the talk with they on top sick beds, now 2,672, 53 of them they use now oxygen. If you want look percentage for where people then the well for the Corona sick for we country, now 92%, and you want see the percentage for the bed where people they sleep on top of for sicker Corona, as so they see I'm now 7.23% country people them. And for tell we say the sick, it don't come plenty. Ma Edith Kabanwala, we been a woman for stand up for Cameroon. He too, he try for compare the number the way minister be done the game. If you see where to my Edith Kabanwala talk, he say for number 23 day for January, 29,617 cases since Corona enter for we country. 28 day for February, we get 33,749. Now it means say plus 4,132 people them they get the sick inside 3 weeks. Then for 25 February, you reach saying at 35,714 new cases. Now it means say 1,965 people them they don't catch them with Corona for inside 1 week. Now if you want for compare the people that they day for on top hospital beds, you go see and say for number 23 day for January, it be then at 2.8% people them for a percentage for hospital beds, and for 18 February now 5%. Now it don't go up to 7.23% for 25 February for Terry. Say the Corona true a day, so make we no joke on top. At all, different country than two they give we for Ivory Coast as Thursday, 843 new cases where they get them for day, where they sleep on top bed just now, but on Thursday they get 52 new cases them, 91 people them well, and one person he die. Since Corona enter for Ivory Coast, 32,347 people they already get the sick, 31,315 people they don't well, and 189 people them they don't die for Ivory Coast for sick of the sick, and so for inside the chapter for Corona. Other country them we enter just now for different country with them to dedicate their own Corona number them. We go take una enter for inside place where they call them say Nigeria. For Nigeria side, as we they get them for Thursday for Niger with the season at 634 new cases where they confirm inside Nigeria. We get for Corona photo Corona for Nigeria for give the update for inside Nigeria for that side. For tell we say now 637 new cases them with the big CM for Nigeria as of Thursday for concerning this Corona. As we see them 634 new cases where they make them say since Corona enter Nigeria now 154,476 people there they don't already catch the sick, 131,699 people there they don't well, and 1,891 people that already die for Nigeria since Corona enter for day. For South Africa, as we they give it on Thursday, they say now 1,676 people them where they don't catch the Corona sick since we as of Thursday, and since the Corona come 49,667 people that don't already die, while 1,424,401 people that don't well for inside South Africa. Doctor they already test 8,999,322 people them since we Corona he enter inside South Africa country people them. We go take una just now enter for Boya, also don't talk for now launching for mountain race number 26 edition. Also the talk for you just now, it happen for that side. So for Moliko Omnisport Stadium for the first images I already get them for this afternoon. Maybe we'll go see whether if he enter for inside Moliko Omnisport Stadium just now. For talks waiting Minister for Sports and Physical Education, Professor Narcisse Mwele Kombi. Now we continue for on top that chapter, but just for Sabi say one of the new case for inside the chapter will the talk. Now President for Senegal Macky Sall wey it too don't take injection for corona. So it too, it take example, it want and say make population, it take example from me for say make they take the injection where they go start for Chukam for that side, so for Senegal, when a injection for knock this corona for inside Senegal. So if you don't prepare, Moliko Omnisport Stadium, so the talk just now, country people them launching for mountain race a day up for inside day. When I see I'm say people that already start for she done small for that side, so for inside Moliko Omnisport Stadium, as well the number 26 edition for mountain race, it go happen tomorrow. Sabi say the launching this afternoon. Na Minister for Sports and Physical Education, Professor Narcisse Mwele Kombi, it go be there for launch this mountain race where it did the launching day today. Like the activities that will go happen for the launching this afternoon, as all the talk, Moliko Omnisport Stadium. They tell you say waiting, we get 3 people there, they go talk. We get Mayor for Boya, Dr. Barrister David Mafani. We get President for Athletics Federation, where they call say waiting, Motombi Mbome Emmanuel and Professor Narcisse Mwele Kombi, where all them they go talk, they go address people them for that side, so for inside Boya. So Moliko Omnisport Stadium small, it takes team as we launching for mountain race go day. But don't forget, say it dey so libation to go be country fashion go day where my chiefs them they go back a fasamoto say make he left all man a climb mountain and he come down. So now image for Moliko Omnisport Stadium as so the talk as we the launching it go the pass small time. We go enter for newspaper them with the day. We left the other chapter them for one end. We enter for newspaper, they will get them the one newspaper they will get. As we will go come out for Tori House small time. The Horizon newspaper we they outside this afternoon, country people them. Inside Horizon you go take read Tori where a consign waiting. A consign one of the people that will lie on a be attack where don't die for far north. You go read that chapter for Horizon. That's so to Ngomna. It don't make some wawakam as where they give a point for new people them for Commission for Human Rights and Freedom for inside we country. If you read Tori to a consign Gratango for Horizon newspaper where they outside. Other newspaper too will look for inside this afternoon, country people them. Now the Voice Weekend or the Post Weekend inside the Voice Weekend, as we already get they talk after plenty shame where they don't quiet. They never ever talk anything concerning problem for Norwest and Southwest. We own honor them for country. They don't talk back again after we U.S. Congress people them talk concerning the what in the way they happen inside we country now. So the Voice Weekend at the tell we an SDF Germany chapter. They don't talk say no for Oswa Josie his signature on top book the way concern SDF. You go read other to read them inside the Voice Weekend. The Post Weekender the way they too for outside. He get his own chapter for talk for we inside the Post. Then they talk as we they so MP them. We own MP them for we country. They don't start for challenge wait way Congress people them for inside Joe Biden the country they talk concerning problem for Northwest and Southwest after plenty time they should don't quiet and Sabi say na only country it get power for make any trouble according to way Gratango talk where the Post Weekend people them they put on for you go read Tori too for mountain race inside the Post Weekend. Guardian Post it get its own chapter for talk for we this afternoon inside Guardian Post they talk as we treasury people them they don't take back 12 billion francs CFA when a money where they be done the pay them since for former governor work people there they don't die but their money it be the so pass now. So Guardian Post it tell you say 12 billion francs CFA where they don't take them. You go read other Tori way consign Gratango where don't put him up inside this palaver for Faker Foods inside the Guardian Post where it did to for outside this afternoon. Now the newspaper them that where we hand a try for Tosham this last day for inside the week. Case for loss, you get Kie, Vanessa Ngu, where it don't vamos. Now for that side, so for Yawin the way Tori enter for we here, as well the family, they announced just now. Now pick day for from 4. Sabi say they beg any person who don't see this speaking 678-555 not 657 not 94 not 95 not 48 number we wanna use them for call family for talk for them. Say wanna don't see the picking or take them for any police or gendarme office. Another case this afternoon we'll get them for we before when a case for loss. Country people them now this woman where they call it say Saint Catherine Olivia. This E2 it don't come out and Nama Saint Santi Beatrice it beg any person where you don't see Olivia for any corner say since we come out house they never see him. 698-224-699-653-233-946 number for use and for call if una don't see this speaking or report for any police or gendarme office where it dey for corner. Now they told them that country people them for this Friday, number 26 day inside February moon, the last PG news for this month for February. Wanna no forget, say last PG news debate for month for February, it go come on Saturday from 12:30 to 1:30. We go turn back for some of the strong things that they don't happen inside this week. Country people them, if Papa got the green tomorrow we go meet up. Big thank you for Innocent Abega, Ledupone, Malice and Nadine with them to they get their own small support for program for Tori for this afternoon. Una hold am tight for outside day.